Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? I figure we do a quick unboxing from Diamond Art Club. It's called The Sweet Life by Chuck Pinson. All right, if you look at the box, it's basically, you see a circle, means it's round diamonds, and it becomes in this color. It's like a pinkish color. The box is very pretty, very sparkly. At the bottom says scan me, unlock 10% off. At the back of the box, it tells you how everything works step by step and what's inside the kit. All right, let's open up this baby, guys. All right. Sorry about that. I think I just pushed the light there. Okay, so all the kits come with 2 stickers. It comes with a small one, and usually what I do is I take this small sticker and I put it underneath the box. So if I have the boxes one on top of the other, you can see what painting that is. Okay. Comes with a little special kit here. Let's see. I think this is the older kit. Yep. So this has resealable bags. It comes with 2 washi tapes. It comes with a tray, a placer, a pen, and a power grip for the pen. It's to help if you have arthritis on your hands. Okay, all the canvases, all the paintings come in a plastic bag to protect it. Okay. This is also one of my other favorite artists, Chuck Pinson, for landscapes. Okay, and very quickly, the canvas is super smooth like butter. It's designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying, and it's made from, I believe, heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin fabric for extra strength. So very nice. Okay, so let's get the drills out. Anything else in here? Nope. Okay, so here's the big sticker. Shows you a picture of the painting. And you can put this in your logbook. You put the start date and the end date. It comes with pre-cut stickers, so you could basically use these stickers for your containers. All right. And these are the drills. We're gonna look at the drills later. It comes with instructions, step-by-step instructions. Thank you, tips and tricks. Okay, all right, let's put that aside too. We don't need that right now. All right, so as you can see, it has a legend on the lower right-hand side. Okay, let's open up this beauty. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous, guys. And then it also has a legend on the upper left-hand side. The legend basically, it tells you how many colors, so it's 46 colors. It tells you the symbols, and the symbols are what are in the painting, so that's where you put your drills, and the DMC code, okay? And then in the bottom, it has a picture. It tells you DAC, Diamond Art Club, The Sweet Life, the name of the painting. The size is 28 by 22 inches. 71 centimeters by 56 centimeters, and it's by Chuck Pinson, is the artist, and they sell it at Diamond Art Club. Okay, and then the bottom, it tells you you take 10% off using Take 10. It's on Facebook, Instagram, and the canvas has a 30-day money back guarantee. It has a lifetime warranty. It has a free diamond spill insurance, and it also has a 10% cashback rewards with every order, which is pretty cool. All right, and then on the top it says do what makes you sparkle by Diamond Art Club. So let's look at this beauty, guys. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, everything that Chuck Pinson, let me tell you a little bit about Chuck. Chuck is actually born and raised in North Carolina, and believe it or not, he didn't receive any formal art training. So he basically, I guess, taught himself. I believe he's got 49 paintings that they sell at Diamond Art Club. One is Hope Runs Deep, I believe it's a Christmas one. Island Time, Call of the Wild, and so on. He's got so many beautiful paintings. Okay, so when I first saw this one, I just needed to get it, guys, because it's got this red bridge, okay, with the cover on the bridge. It's got windows. And this, as soon as I saw this bridge, it reminded me of the movie with Clint Eastwood, Bridges of Madison County, which is one of my favorite movies. So it just reminded me of that movie. And on this side of the bridge, there is a lake. I think it's a lake or a river, and it's got geese and ducks and a boat. Boat is over here. Move it away so you can see it. It's a boat right here, and this geese, and it's got flowers down here. And I believe if you walk through you cross the bridge, there is I don't know if you can see it, but there's a horse and carriage right there. And then there's a farm, and it looks like it's a village. On the other side of the bridge is basically a village. And then they have this beautiful old church right here in the village, in the middle of the village. And then you've got trees. And when you look at this painting, it looks like it's harvest time. It looks like it's early fall, and it's early in the morning. So you've got farmers with tractors working in the background. You have more houses and farms. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. And there's an eagle, actually. I know I saw the eagle, which I can't see it here, but there is an eagle flying. Let me look at the picture. Actually, here it is. I believe that's the eagle. When you look at the picture, you can see it better. And there's actually a little bird right here on the tree. Okay, so let me bring it up so you can see it. It's very, very clear. Let's see how sticky it is. Super sticky, very clear. Okay, so why don't we take a look at the drills. Let's move this over there. We said, well, how many? 46 colors. So I'm just gonna open this baby up. Oh, and by the way, now they tell you, so if you separate the drills from your painting, and like I do, I put all my drills in a basket. And since it has a name, and then when I decide that I want to work on this, I just say, okay, this belongs to Painting the Sweet Life. Okay, so I'll be right back to show you the drills. So this is the first one, 155. This is a purple. 165, and it's a pretty yellow. So 310, believe it or not, guys, just one packet. 312 is a blue, very pretty blue. 317 is a gray. 318 is just a lighter gray. See if I can put them like this, a little closer to each other so you can see them. I just don't know how much space. Okay, so 321 is like a red orange. 322 is a blue. 327 is a purple. Pretty purple, by the way. Okay, 413 is a gray. And 414 is just a lighter gray. And then you have 415, even a lighter. So the light, lighter, and lightest. Okay. And then you have 433, sort of like a brown, orangey. 438, I guess like a mustard color, right? 435, the same thing. So this is the light, lighter, and lightest. And then 498, it's like a red. It's like a red orange. That's probably for the barn or the leaves. Okay, 640 is a very pretty green. 647, wow, that's very pretty. It's like a light blue green. And 666 is a red. And here we have oranges. So it's probably for that tree that it's very pretty. 740, an orange. 741, another orange, yellow orange, and 742, a yellow orange. So these are all in the orange family. 762, I believe it's like an off-white. 779, it's very pretty. It's like a purplish brownish color. Okay, do we have, yeah, we still have space. 814, very pretty. 833, it's like a yellow mustard color. 841. And 890 is a green, and 895 is a prettier, darker green. And this one is 938, sort of like a brown color. And then you have the two greens. So 986, 987, very, very pretty greens. I love this green. I think we have space a little bit more here. Then you have 3023, which is a gray, and 3024 is another gray. 3347 is a green. That's very pretty, actually. 3348, it's like a yellow green. Okay. And I think I have no more space. So far, it's like a little bit of everything. Lots of fallish colors. And then here we have 3350. It's like a pink. 3371 is a brown. I've got 2 bags of those. It's like a chocolate brown. 3607 is a pink. I don't even know where that pink goes. 3770. 3799, there's 2, and it's gray. And then this is the last one. 3853 is in orange. 3860. 3861 is just a lighter color than that, and 3864 is like a off-white, like a tan. And then, believe it or not, guys, we only have one AB. I think this is an older kit. So this is 133. It's absolutely beautiful. I hope this is for the barn and for that beautiful tree right here. See, it has like all those red and oranges. So we'll see, we'll see. And of course, since there's only one AB, you know what that means, guys? Yep, that means that we could actually add ABs. And where would you add them, guys? Or should we leave it the way it is? So let's see. 133 is number 1. So wherever you see number 1, yep. Number 1 is all over the barn. So I guess the barn is like a red-orange color. You have some down here, probably some flowers. There's actually, I just realized, I just noticed there's actually a stone wall here, which is so pretty. Okay, focus. Yeah, squirrel, that's me. There's a tree here, so more ABs here, ABs here, and of course, ABs on the tree. I see lots of ones here. So, it only has one AB, guys. I would add, actually, probably some on the windows of the bridge. And of course, the church. There's a window here. And that way the church looks like the lights are on. There's another window here. And maybe some, actually, you know what, guys, in the water. Right? So I could have a little, so it could reflect. It could be shiny, just a little shiny. And that's about it, guys. I hope you love this painting as much as I do. This is like one of my favorite artists, Chuck Pinson, and that's about it, guys. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.